Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the KitchenAid dishwasher H2O code, water supply, inlet hose and restart fix. The fix one, you can check the water supply valve. Turn off the dishwasher, look under the sink for the water supply valve, then make sure the valve is fully open. And then run the dishwasher again and check if the H2O code disappear. The fix 2, you can inspect the water inlet hose. So pull the dishwasher slightly forward, check the inlet hose behind the dishwasher and straighten the kinks or bends in the hose and make sure the hose is not blocked or leaking. The fix 3, clean the inlet filter screen. So turn off the water supply, disconnect the inlet hose carefully. After that, check the small filter screen inside the inlet valve and then clean dirt or drips with the water and reconnect the hose. And the fix 4, you can restart the dishwasher. So turn off the dishwasher, then unplug it or switch off the circuit breaker for 5 minutes and then restore power and start a new wash cycle. Goodbye.